To optimize Google Analytics filters, start by understanding the different types of filters available. There are two main types: predefined and custom filters. Predefined filters are pre-configured by Google, while custom filters allow you to create specific rules based on your needs. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Click on the view you want to apply the filter to. Then click on Filters. Here you can see a list of existing filters and create new ones. When creating a custom filter, you need to specify the filter type, which can be based on IP addresses, domains, or specific URLs. You can also choose to include or exclude data based on the filter conditions. For example, if you want to exclude traffic from your company's IP address, you can create a filter that excludes traffic from that specific IP range. This will help you get a more accurate picture of your website's external traffic. Another important concept is filter order. The order in which filters are applied can affect the data that is processed. Make sure to test your filters to ensure they are working as expected. Best practices for optimizing Google Analytics filters include regularly reviewing and updating your filters, using descriptive names for your filters, and avoiding overlapping filters. It's also important to note that filters can only be applied to future data, not historical data. To test your filters, create a test view in your Google Analytics account and apply the filters to that view. This will allow you to see how the filters affect your data without affecting your main view. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Google Analytics filters and get more accurate and meaningful insights from your data. Regularly reviewing and updating your filters will help you make the most of your Google Analytics account and improve your website's performance.